Day 57 of being at home. It's Friday, the
15th of April? Yeah.
15th of May. You keep saying April. How's your day been today, Harry?
Not excellent.
Good, excellent. So,
Not all good excellent.
not all good, excellent. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. So we started the day off this morning.
Making lightsabers.
You made a lightsaber out of what?
Cobbled.
Yep, so it's a roll from a cling film or foil or something like that.
Oil.
Yep. And how did you make it?
Just with pen.
Yep.
Wrapped it all around. So pen.
Yeah.
I started here.
Yeah.
Went all around. Do you know why this is lighter than that bit?
Why?
Because I've done this in whiteboard pen.
Okay.
And I've done this in normal pen.
In Sharpie, wasn't it?
Not Sharpie.
Oh, I thought it was Sharpie.
No, Rosie used Sharpie.
And you made a handle?
The grey bit.
Yep. And Rosie made one?
Rainbow.
And you helped her?
Luke's going to have a rainbow one as well once we find out one of these.
You want to make one for your friend Luke, don't you?
Yeah, and Noah.
And Noah. But we have to wait for the foil and cling film to be used up.
Yeah.
So after we did that, you did some stuff on your tablet.
Yes.
What was that?
Eggy Maths.
Pardon?
Eggy Maths.
Yeah, you showed me all the games on there.
Yes.
And Rosie was having a look too.
Yes.
Which one did Rosie like?
I don't know. Granny.
She wanted you to do the granny one. Yeah.
Granny. And Teddy one.
And then we did something on, I think it was on my phone, but to help Rosie.
And I was the helper.
You were the helper. What was it?
Phonics.
Yeah, what phonics were we doing with her?
E.
She needed a bit of help.
E.
But she kind of got it, didn't she? Because she kept saying me, but it was me.
Me.
Yeah. We had to help her, but she was alright. She's getting good. Think you've been out with Mum and Rosie today?
Mhm.
Where did you go?
Bike ride.
Where did you go on your bike ride? Went up past Meadowside, did you?
And Severn Vale.
And past Severn Vale?
And the ramps.
And what were you doing on the ramps?
Wheelies.
Rosie had to go as well,
And
didn't she?
it's going on YouTube, my wheelies.
Oh yeah. Mum said she recorded you, so I need to have a look. And Rosie went on the ramps too. Good fun then, was it? And then this afternoon, you've been doing lots of playing. You said you were playing, Rosie was playing Paw Patrol.
I was playing stuff.
Were you? Where was that?
In the garden with Paw Patrol.
So Rosie, you were playing it at the same time, were you?
Yeah.
Was that good fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who were you?
I don't know. A goodie though.
You were a goodie. And you made something out of cardboard and you wrote something on it.
Booyah! Or boya! Or boo yay!
Yeah, and what was that piece of cardboard for?
Snowboard.
It was a snowboard, was it?
But Rosie just put colours.
Cool. We've done the Meadowside Quiz, a part of it, although I was still at work because it was earlier today. Did you get any questions on that?
No.
You didn't get any?
I got two.
What were they?
They were about the Great Fire of London.
Yeah, and
Fancy Street.
and you knew it, did you?
Yes.
Great. And then we've just been talking about something that you remembered when we were talking about boy, yeah, what were you remembering?
Boy.
Yeah, why were you remembering boy?
I don't know.
Yeah, you were wondering about names, weren't you?
Boy.
Yeah.
Boy.
So Mum asked you, what would you like to call your little baby sister when she was born?
Boy.
And you wanted her to be called Boy, didn't you?
Boy.
Boy. And that's all you would say.
Boy. I want boy for dinner.
You are funny.
Boy. Boy.
So how are you feeling at the moment, then?
Boy.
No, seriously.
Funny.
How are you feeling?
Good.
What about your friends and everything? How are you feeling
Sad.
about that? What?
And Rosie bit me on the back.
Oh yeah, Rosie bit you on the back today. Ouch. She had to be told off.
And I had to have frozen pizza.
Oh.
But with a blanket.
Made it feel better though. But yeah, how are you feeling about your friends?
Sad.
Why?
Because I miss.
You miss your friends, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully you maybe definitely have video calls. Maybe you get to see them again soon. Probably won't be able to get very close, but maybe you get to see them. Yeah. So if you were going to give today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish, 10 is brilliant. How do you feel about today, and what would your score be?
But 9 because my back.
9 because you're back. Yeah. Cool.
And I was like that for about an hour, I think.
But it is the weekend.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, so let's have a good weekend. See you later.
See you tomorrow.